Turn off hide likes. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off hide likes on tweets. First thing, go to your tweets, and here guys, go to your profile, click on the lock icon at the top, and you will find the last option, which is hide likes. Tap on it, it will take you to this page, and here guys, all you need to do is tap on it and turn it off. And now you did turn off hide likes. And now this settings also apply to tweets. Now you did turn off also on your tweets. This is it guys, hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on the next one.